everyone, thanks for tuning into this video. Today I'll be going over how to make a friendship bracelet. Feel free to make one for yourself, for your friends, or for your family. They're super easy and super fun once you get into the swing of it. So this is one of the examples that our end result will look like. I'll show you how to make the little knots and how to create this beautiful design. To get started, I chose these 4 beautiful colors for our bracelet today. I thought they were fun and summery. You can use 4 different string, 3, 5, depending on the width, how thick you wanted your bracelet to be. So to measure out our strings, we'll need super long pieces for this design. We'll need to measure them out evenly, and once we have even lengths of string, we need to bring them all together, fold them in half, and then check to make sure that the bottoms are even. So we'll lay out our string like so and then fold it in half. Then we'll move on to creating our knot at the top to create the little loop that will be able to secure our bracelet together once the finished product is complete. Our next step is to find a hard surface to work on. Grab any book or binder to tape your strings to. This will help secure your process and make it a whole lot easier for yourself. Then you'll see I am separating the colors evenly on each side as a mirror. So I'm starting with blue in the middle, then yellow, purple, and orange. Then we're going to start on our left-hand side making a figure 4. With our orange string over our purple, we are going to reach with our other hand under the purple, pulling the orange string out from under, and then slowly bringing it closer to our main knot, trying to keep the orange on top of the purple at all times. So we'll do that slowly. Then we're going to make another figure 4 and do that twice. Once we've done that twice, we can set our purple to the side and move on to the yellow. So we're doing the same color on top. Our orange will be on top, making the figure 4 again, and just completing this pattern twice for each color, moving on to blue until we reach the center. Once we reach the center, we will see that our colors are still evenly distanced from each other, but we'll have the purple on top instead of the orange. Now we'll start on the other side and we'll do the same pattern but backwards. So instead of doing the figure 4 on our left-hand side, we're going to do it backwards, so a mirror on our right-hand side. So we're just doing a backwards 4 like so. So we'll keep our orange on top with our purple down below and zipping the orange up to the top knot. We'll do this twice to create the even pattern with our backwards 4. So it's the same pattern as we did on the other side, but it's just reversed, so it's just like a mirror. And now since we've done that twice, we'll move on to the yellow, going over, under, and up. And we'll move on to the blue until we reach the center. Once we've reached the center, we'll see that our 2 oranges have met in the middle. Now we don't want a hole in the middle of our friendship bracelet, so what we need to do is to tie a knot twice using those 2 orange strings. So we need to finish up our design with that center knot. Once we've tied that twice, we'll see that our colors are now all laid out, but with the purple starting at the top. And so we'll do the same thing that we did with the orange with the purple, moving our way down.